Hello students, in this video we will be solving problems from exercise 8.1. Our first problem is in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters. Determine sine A cos A. So first what we'll do is we'll draw a right angled triangle. Right angled at B it says. So this will be B, this will be say A, and this will be C. It is right angled at B, and AB is given as 24 centimeters and BC is given as 7 centimeters. We have to determine sine A and cos A. Where is the angle A? Angle A is here. To make it easier, what I'll do is I'll just change this and I'll put A over here and C over here. This will make it easier for you. So we'll change the angle from here to here, and this. Now since this we have changed the vertices, we'll have to rename them. So AB is 24 centimeters, so AB comes here, and BC is this one, the perpendicular, which is 7 centimeters, and AC we have not been given. So for any sine A and cos A, we will need to know what is the hypotenuse. Let us first remove what is the hypotenuse. To remove hypotenuse, we need to know the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem say? It says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the adjacent sides. So AB square plus BC square. We leave this AC square on the left hand side as it is. AB we have been given as 24 square, and AB is given as 24, that will be 24 square, and BC is given as 7, that will be 7 square. So AC square gives us 576 and 7 square is 49. So AC square comes to 625 centimeters. Okay, so basically just 625 we'll write, and we need AC, so we'll do square root of AC square equal to square root of 625. That gives us AC, and 625 will give us 25 centimeters. Now usually we write square root when we remove, we write plus or minus, but we can't have minus because we are talking about a length, hence we assume directly it will be a positive length. So AC is equal to 25 centimeters, and AC is our hypotenuse. As per Pandit Badari Prasad, har bole, what is sine A? It is P upon H. And what is cos? Cos is B upon H. So sine of A will be P upon H. P is your perpendicular, which is this one. H is this will be your base. What is P over here? We'll write the name over here, which is sine A should be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is BC upon hypotenuse, which is AC. AC we have just found out, that is 25 centimeters. So sine A will be BC 7 centimeters upon AC, which is 25 centimeters. Sorry, we just remove this part. 7 upon 25. Coming to cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. What is your base? AB, and hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 24 and AC is 25. Hence we get sine A, which is 7 upon 25, and we get cos A, which is 24 upon 25. Our next problem is sine C cos C with the same condition, that is a triangle ABC, right angled at B, with AB equal to 24, BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So we need not remove once again the hypotenuse, same working, except the angle now is different. So we will not change the angle, because I want you to see how we solve a problem with our angle over here and not over here all the time. So here now we'll take the angle as C, and so our base and our perpendicular will change. What is our base will become our perpendicular, and whatever was our perpendicular becomes our base. The hypotenuse remains the same. So sin C is equal to P upon H. P is AB now, upon H, hypotenuse, which is AC, which gives us 24 upon 25. And our cos C will be base upon hypotenuse. Base is now BC, and the hypotenuse remains the same as AC, which is now 7 upon 25. You see how things change when the angle changes. Here when the angle was A, AB was our base and BC was our perpendicular. But now in this case, C is our angle, which makes BC as our base and AB as our perpendicular. Accordingly, the ratios change. We'll solve one more problem in this video, and the problem is, in the figure find tan P minus cot R. We are given this figure, P, triangle PQR, right angled at Q. PQ is given as 12 centimeters and PR is given as 13 centimeters. We are given two angles to deal with, P and R both. So we'll have to find what is tan P first, and we'll have to find out what is cot R, and then we'll have to do the subtraction. So let us first find what is tan P. For that we'll have to find QR. So let us find QR. You can clearly make out this is the hypotenuse. So we'll say, by Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse, which is PR square, is equal to square of the adjacent sum of the squares of the adjacent sides, which is PQ square plus QR square. We need QR square. I'll keep QR square on one side, and I'll take PQ square on the other side of the equal to sign. It will become negative. PR square minus PQ square. Repeat, QR square. PR is given as 13 and PQ is given as 12. So 13 square minus 12 square. So there is another way how we can do this. So this is A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B, and we will get 13 plus 12 is 25 into 1. That will give us QR square equal to 25. So square root of QR square is equal to square root of 25. That gives us QR equal to square root of 25 is 5. So 5 centimeters, and centimeters is the unit. Hence we get this. You can do the normal way also, find out what is 13 square, and you can find out what is 12 square, and then subtract and get it. This will be 169, this will be 144. 169 minus 144 will also give you 25. Now we have got QR. Now let us find out what is tan P and what is cot R. Okay. Now for that we'll first go to Pandit Badri Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bole. Tan is what? P upon B. We'll put tan P perpendicular. For P, this is, if this is our angle, then our perpendicular becomes QR and our base becomes PQ. Perpendicular upon base, that means QR upon PQ. QR is 5, PQ is 12. That is our tan P. For cot R, now for cot R, it is the reverse of this. That means B upon P. But here we will change, okay, because this is now our angle, which means perpendicular is now PQ and base is QR. Cot R is B upon P. B is QR and perpendicular is PQ. Cot R, that means QR is 5, PQ is 12. So that means 10P and cot R we have got. Next we are asked to find out 10P minus cot R. So 10P minus cot R, 10P is 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 because cot R is also 5. That gives us 0. The answer is 0. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. The answer is 0. So we solved 2 problems under exercise 8.1 in this video. If you have liked the video, click the like button, share it with your friends and family. Cancel this part. If you have liked the video, click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.